In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Bank of America. If you want to access your banking on the go, the Bank of America mobile app makes it easy to check balances, review transactions, manage your account, and handle everyday banking tasks right from your phone. The good news is that the download process is simple, whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone. To get started, open the App Store on your device. If you're using Android, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. Once the store is open, tap the search bar at the top and type in Bank of America Mobile Banking. Make sure you type the full app name as closely as possible so it's easier to find the correct result. When the search results appear, look carefully for the official app called Bank of America Mobile Banking. This part is very important. You want to make sure the developer is listed as Bank of America, N.A. Taking a moment to confirm the developer helps you avoid lookalike apps that may appear similar but are not official. If an app has a slightly different name, unusual branding, or a different developer, do not download it. Once you've found the official app, go ahead and start the download. On Android, tap Install. On iPhone, tap Get, and then confirm the download if your device asks you to. Depending on your internet speed, the app should install within a few moments. It's a free app to download, so you won't need to pay to install it. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. From there, you can sign in using your Bank of America account details. If you're a new user and haven't set up mobile access yet, you should see an option to enroll. Just follow the on-screen instructions to get started. Before you finish, keep a few important tips in mind. Always install the app only from the official developer, Bank of America, N.A. This is the safest way to make sure you're using the real app. Also, be cautious of apps that imitate well-known banks, since those can sometimes be scams. And while the app itself is free to download, you'll still need a Bank of America account to actually use its features. That's it. Once the app is installed and you're signed in, you'll be ready to manage your banking directly from your phone.